Hi, in shopping malls, airports, train stations, and even on the roads, digital signboards are everywhere and growing fast. Outdoors, they are replacing traditional advertising hoardings, providing higher visibility, dynamic content, and are easily changed in a heartbeat. They stand alone on highways or adorn the outsides of buildings. Indoors, they are even more useful because they can be touch-enabled. Apart from just displacing information, they may now be used as self-ordering at restaurants, automated check-in at airports, foreign currency exchange machines, and so on. Applications are only limited by your imagination. Touch or non-touch, with numerous sizes and resolutions. How do you manage these displays and their content? i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service has been developed since 2014 for this exact purpose. i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service is a powerful content management platform to help you manage display content, regardless of what size or resolution screen you are using. As long as your display is connected to the internet, you'll be able to control and synchronize them to your liking directly from the cloud. Let's begin with basic digital signage. These are simply for displaying information, such as advertising, promotions, brand management, and so on. This content may be in the form of static images, videos, in a ticker format, and the i3DiSPLAY even allows any combination of the above formats. You may also wish to set specific times for when your content is displayed. This is particularly useful for restaurants who may wish to display breakfast, lunch, and dinner menus at separate times. With the i3DiSPLAY accessed via any web browser, you can do all of the above and more. Simply log into your CMP account and you'll be able to see all of your collected display devices and their associated parameters. Make changes or additions from the comfort of your home or office, and these changes will be synchronized to all of your displays within minutes. For example, you may have multiple displays of varying sizes at different locations. Manage them all from your i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service CMP account. Join the hundreds of our clients that currently manage their displays this way, including Malaysian airports and Shangri-La hotels. As you can see, i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service breaks international barriers. Your CMS can manage displays in various locations, even if they are in other countries. Our international customers simply update content and parameters into their CMS account, and all of their collected displays will be updated, regardless of which country they are in. For chain stores or restaurants, you can change and manage the content to be displayed across your entire digital signage network with the click of the mouse. Deploy sales and marketing strategies quickly and efficiently. New model car coming onto the market? Get it and all relevant information out to your entire dinner network in a matter of minutes. But wait, what if our network of display panels include touch-enabled displays and not just simple digital signage? i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service is the solution. To begin, simply sign up for an i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service CMS key code. Once your CMS account is active, you will immediately have 5 GB of space to house your content. Upload your pictures, adverts, or videos. If you need more space, attractive data packages are available. Start managing your content now, whatever size or type of display you have. Additional tools are available for you to remotely monitor the health of your display. Check temperature and memory usage for each device. If any issues arise, restart the display remotely. You can even do it from your mobile phone. You can also request the current screen of the display panel by using the screen grab function. Online help and support are regularly available if required, and the training can also be conducted via Skype. In the background, your content is backed up on a daily basis. All associated hardware or connectivity issues are handled by us to ensure that your i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service operates without any interruption. New functionality is being added regularly, And all these enhancements and upgrades will automatically be available to you for as long as you are a subscriber to the i3DiSPLAY cloud service at no additional cost. Subscribers to our premium account can take advantage of many useful plugins such as games, wayfinders, self-ordering system, and many others, so that you can truly maximize the potential of your display panel. All this in a user-friendly platform, so that no programming knowledge is required. Why us? Traditional methods of managing display panels are inconvenient, time-consuming, costly, and outdated. You could use a USB stick to transfer content into each panel, but what if you have multiple panels in multiple locations? After all that trouble, you have content which doesn't change until the next time you are able to go around updating all the displays. The alternative way to manage your display is for it to mirror a PC screen. The cost of cabling, setting up the PC, and manpower to monitor and maintain it afterwards will easily cost more than an i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service CMS key code. Worst of all, in a highly publicized case, a PC operator decided to watch inappropriate content, which was then inadvertently broadcast onto a shopping mall screen. In a state of panic, most staff had no choice but to cut the power lines to the display, causing much damage and embarrassment. There is no such risk if your displays are managed with i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service. i3DiSPLAY is designed with a lot of future-proofing and is constantly being enhanced to adapt to evolving requirements, but it maintains its simplicity of use. There's no need for programming. i3DiSPLAY will automatically adjust graphics and to suit the resolutions of the device. Whether you are using HD, 4K, or even 8K, be it vertical or horizontal, i3DiSPLAY will ensure that your pictures or videos are sized and displayed correctly. How do you start? Once you sign up for i3DiSPLAY, you can then use the key code to create your own CMS account. After registering your login name and password, you can add new users. There are 3 types of users: admin, editor, or viewer. Only admin and editor are allowed to amend the content pages. You can manage all these users in the slide shown here. Once user management is complete, we can move on to page design. Decide on the layout that best suits your needs, choosing from the numerous templates that are included free in your i3DiSPLAY subscription. Alternatively, design your own. Within each slot of the layout, you can then insert your choice of pictures, graphics, or videos. With almost all formats supported, the choices are endless. If desired, choose graphic transition methods, movement, or design actions to be taken. For example, open another page for displays that are touch-enabled. The duration for displaying your content can also be set, and that's all. i3DiSPLAY will display your content according to the parameters you have just set, and also maintain the correct aspect ratio, so it displays correctly on the corresponding panel. No need to worry if it's too fat or thin, or it's missing content. There is no limit to the number of pages that you can create. Once you've completed all your pages, we can then link them to create a cohesive flow, or a storyboard. From here, you determine what is displayed next, either after a specific duration or according to the touch that is received. A user touches point A and is brought to page B. Simple. As seen on the slide, a storyboard will then be constructed automatically within i3DiSPLAY. For each page or slot, you can choose the transition or motion you desire. Choices include 3-dimension cube rotation, zoom in and out, or sliding motion. For higher impact and efficiency, you can even combine pictures and videos on the same page, as shown here. What if you wanted to have different content on different displays in different locations? Not a problem at all with i3DiSPLAY. As with TV, you can have different channels for different content. Create a different storyboard and assign it to a channel. Remember to define what type of display panel is attached, so that the correct solution is set. For one of our global hotel chain clients, they manage from their HQ hundreds of displays across numerous countries with this exact channel function. Specific times for content to be displayed can be set as well. The most popular example would be for restaurants, who ultimately display their breakfast, lunch, and dinner menus daily. Another example would be if you had a promotion during a specific day. For example, discounts on Mondays. You could set the display to show this promotion on Mondays. i3DiSPLAY allows you to use either time or date as your parameters for total flexibility. Upload all your content files into the built-in cloud-based media library for easy accessibility and uniform content. Your copyright identity is safeguarded with common files that your editors are able to conveniently access. When the above is all done in the i3DiSPLAY CMS, you will then need to install the i3DiSPLAY Player app onto your display panel's Android operating system. Android was designed from the outset with touch-based devices in mind and has proven to be the most reliable and fast operating system for display panels. Support for pictures, graphics, and videos are all native within Android, resulting in a much smoother and accurate rendition on the display panels themselves. Once the Player app is running on the display panel, you need to key in the satellite key code to enable it, upon which all the content that you have created in the CMS will automatically synchronize and download to the display panel. Your display panel is also equipped with a password-protected hidden menu. This is to allow you to perform routine maintenance or troubleshooting tasks. Activation of key codes or to resume downloads that have been interrupted are things that can be done via this hidden menu. Once synchronization and download of content is completed, you can take your display panel offline. Internet connectivity will not be required until you need to download more content. i3DiSPLAY Cloud service is only available on an annual subscription basis. What this means is that you no longer have to worry about hardware specifications, connectivity, and requirements. Neither will you need to manually upgrade the software when we release upgrades and enhancements. Maintenance is done 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you won't have to hire any technical staff. Backups and ensuring round-the-clock connectivity are our responsibility. Everything is done for you. As mentioned earlier, there are 3 types of key codes available. Our premium key code allows full use of all the standard plugins available in the CMS. You can add as many functions as you wish when you so desire. The standard key code doesn't include any plugins and is purely for digital signage use. This means non-touch display panels that are purely used for showing promotional or advertising content. As for the satellite key codes, they do not allow access to the CMS. This is purely for display panels that are collected to and managed by your CMS account. In the example of a shopping mall, if you 10 display panels, you will need 1 premium key code and 9 satellite key codes. As for shopping malls, the premium key code will give you full use of our Wayfinder plugin, with which you will be able to create floor maps and also include a wayfinding function to the display panel. Apart from just signage, i3DiSPLAY can bring life to your display panels. With the addition of a simple proximity sensor, your display panel will perform whatever action you have set up on detection of anyone walking near to it. We have many ready-made plugins for premium key code users. For example, our Wayfinder plugin allows you to add shops, brands, and even routing to the floor maps of the shopping malls. See the video here. Further integration is possible by embedding actions into videos or images. Clicking on an advertising video could immediately call up the routing map to the shop itself. With the simple addition of peripheral accessories, you can turn your display into so much more. As in the view shown here, Adding a cash deposit box allows you to instantly create a reload kiosk. Exclusively designed for showrooms is our active product showcase. This may be configured in several ways. Firstly, it can be so that if a product is picked up or moved away from its display location, relevant information pops up on the display. Alternatively, the configuration could be so that when the product is brought near the display, relevant information appears on the display. This is an excellent solution for showroom usage because it saves on time and manpower. For trade shows and promotional events, engage your potential clients with games that can be played on the display panel. A popular example is the Spin and Win game. Design the graphics within the game and define the prizes to be given away. There are many other games in the plugins library which premium users will have access to. Digital signage is more effective in drawing your attention. It brings an element of dynamism and professionalism to you at an economical price. Increase your prominence and create brand awareness. Now, with i3DiSPLAY Cloud Service, managing all these displays is so much easier. Simply sign up and start today. Thank you for your time. For more information, email us at info@i3display.com. Thank you.